Okay, I just want to start off by saying that I don't actually have, I wasn't able to get a world map, unfortunately, so I'm going to be using this atlas and just the map in this. So yeah. Okay, welcome class. Today we're going to be learning about continents. Does anybody know what a continent is? A continent is a huge, continuous expanse of land. So it's a really, really, really big piece of land that's all connected, and that makes one continent. Does anybody know how many continents there are? Well, that's what we're going to be talking. Does anyone want to just take a guess? A random number. Not 10. Nope. Not 2 either. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about that. There are seven continents, okay? And you're going to learn which each one of them is, and you're going to learn a couple facts about them, okay? So, I'm going to show you a map. This is a map of the 7 different continents. There's South America, North America, that's where we are right now. In North America, there's Africa, Europe, that's up here, that's a little small compared to the others right now, and Asia, and Australia, and last but not least, Antarctica down here. So there are 7 continents, but if you have heard that there are 5 continents before, don't be too confused, because a lot of other countries teach that there are 5 continents because they count South America and North America as one, and they don't count Antarctica. But that's not the way we teach it here, okay? We teach that there are 7 continents, because that makes sense to us. But don't feel bad if you have heard that there are only 5. There are actually 7. So, I already mentioned, which one do we live on? North America. Good job. So, I'm going to be showing you guys a video in a second, just talking about a few of the things we're going to be learning today. But the first thing I want to do is I wrote out Australia. I wrote out all the continents on these little pieces of paper. This one says Australia. Okay, can you guys repeat that? Australia. Good job. And here there are going to be 2 facts, 2 things to know about that continent, okay? And later on your quiz, I'm going to want you to, on your map, your worksheet that you're going to do later, you're going to be writing out and making sure you're choosing the right continent and writing Australia or whatever other continent in it, and then you're going to be writing a random fact. So I've written out 2 facts, so you can choose one of these, or there will be more in the video, but these are just examples. So the first fact is English. English is one of the languages spoken in Australia. And number 2 is kangaroo. A kangaroo is a very popular animal in Australia, okay? So those are 2 facts about the continent of Australia. So this one is going to go right here. That goes right over that map, that continent, okay? Because that's the Australia continent. The next one is Asia. So Asia is a very big continent, and one of the languages spoken there, one of the countries there, is Chinese. There are many, many, many other languages spoken there, but that's just one of them. And one of the animals there is a tiger. So those are 2 facts now you know about Asia. And let's see what's next. Oh, Antarctica. Oh, Asia's going to go right here on the map, okay? Right here. The next one is Antarctica. Can you guys say that? Antarctica. Good job. So, an animal that is popular there is a penguin, and another animal that's popular there is a seal. There aren't very many people that live on Antarctica because it's so cold and icy. There's not many places to live there, and so many people don't live on Antarctica. it's mostly scientists that go there to do research and stuff like that. And that one goes, you guys remember on the map? Yep, that one goes right there. Good job. Okay, so now what's next? Africa. Do you guys remember where Africa goes? Right there on the map. Good job. So Africa is another really, really big continent. And one of the languages spoken there is Arabic. There are many, many other languages spoken in Africa. But that's just one of the many. And one of the animals there, can you guys guess? A lion. Yep, good job. So the next continent we're going to talk about is Europe. So Europe is located right here on the map. Yep, right there. And one of the languages spoken in Europe, there are many, many, many languages spoken in Europe also, but one of them is French. And one of the animals there is a wolf. So those are another 2 facts you can remember. All of these are going to be up on the board, so you can write them down. You can also write down any of the words that you recognize in the video that we're going to watch in a few minutes, okay? So just don't forget to write these things down, but they'll be up on the board too so you can see them. Another continent is South America. Who remembers where this one goes? Yep, it goes right down there. And a language spoken in South America is Spanish. There are other languages spoken in South America, but that's one of the most popular. And one of the animals there is a monkey. And the last one, but not least one, is North America. That is where we are living right now, and that one's right here. North America. One of the most popular languages there, you guys probably know, we're speaking it right now, English. Good job. English, and one of the popular animals here is a moose. So, we are going to repeat, you guys are going to repeat these words after me, the continents, so I know that you know how to say it. So, the first one is South America. Can you guys repeat that after me? South America, good job. And Europe. Good job, okay. Africa. Good. Antarctica. Good job, guys. Asia. Australia. And North America. Good job, guys. And these are all going to be up on the board on the continents. Sorry. On the continents that they belong on. So, we're going to watch this video really quick. It's going to be talking about what we just learned about.
Repeat the names of the 7 continents after me. North America. South America. Europe. Africa. Asia. Australia. Antarctica. Each of the 7 continents are different in their own way. Let's learn some of the ways they're different. In North America, most people speak English, Spanish, or French.
And you guys can write all of these words down, okay? It doesn't just have to be the ones that are on the board, okay? Remember that.
Animals that live in North America include moose and bison.
If you need help spelling any of the words like these, just let me know, okay?
Most people living in South America speak Portuguese and Spanish. Animals that live in South America include armadillos, monkeys, macaws, and toucans. In Europe, many languages are spoken, including German, English, French, Spanish, and Italian. Animals living in Europe include deer, hedgehogs, and wolves. The most common languages spoken in Africa are English, French, Arabic, and Swahili. Giraffes, elephants, and lions all live in Africa. Asia is the world's largest continent in size and in population. Languages spoken in Asia include Chinese, Hindi, Arabic, and Japanese. Animals living in Asia include tigers, elephants, and panda bears. Australia is the smallest continent in the world. In Australia, most people speak English. Animals living in Australia include kangaroos, koalas, and crocodiles. The South Pole is located in Antarctica. Animals that live in Antarctica are penguins and seals. The only people living in Antarctica are scientists studying the continent. You did a great job learning about the continents today. Congratulations!
Super cool.
Okay, so we learned all about continents, right? So that was just kind of going over what we just learned and just talked about. Thought that would be a fun little video to just talk about it a little bit more and show a different, a fun little video about it, okay? So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna teach you guys a song that's gonna help you learn the names of the continents more easily, okay? So I'm gonna teach you the song first, and then we're gonna play a game that's gonna help us learn it even more, okay? The game is called the Wonder Ball, but today it's gonna be the Wonder Pillow, okay? So, just a second. Okay, so in this song, I'll sing it a couple times first, and then you guys will start singing it with me, okay? So, in this game, we're going to pass around this pillow to the song, and once it gets to the end of the song, then the person holding it last is out of the circle, okay? So we're all going to stay in a big circle, yep. Okay, so the song goes like this. North America, South America, Europe, Asia, and Australia, Africa, Antarctica, these are the continents, okay? So let's sing together and we'll pass around the pillow. North America, South America, Europe, Asia, and Australia, Africa, Antarctica, these are the continents. Okay, can you guys sing with me? We're going to sing a little slower this time. North America, South America, Europe, Asia, and Australia, Africa, Antarctica, these are the continents. Okay, good job, guys. So now that we've learned that song and we played the game, now you guys are going to each write out 2 facts that you learned. So you're going to get out your notebooks, get out your pens, crayons, markers. You're going to write out 2 facts, 2 things that you learned about the continents today. It can be any of the continents. It could be from the video. It can be from what we were talking about earlier. Okay? So you're going to write 2 sentences, writing 2 facts. Okay? So you can do 1 sentence for 1 fact and another sentence for the other fact of just 2 things that you learned about the continents, okay? You can choose 1 continent, you can choose 2, you can choose however many you want, but you just need to write 2 facts about it, okay? And if you need any help writing it out or knowing how to spell something, just ask me, okay? Okay, good job, guys. So now I'm going to ask you a few questions again about the continents. I took off all of the papers and the board. I turned the board around so you can't see. So you guys are going to have to answer some questions, okay? So where is Africa? Which one is it? Good job. Okay, Allison, where is Australia? Good job. Brendan, where is South America? And what is a language spoken there? Good job. Teresa, what is a language spoken in Asia? Good job. Brenda, what is an animal in Antarctica? Okay, good job, guys. So we went over, asked you guys a few questions. I'm pretty confident that you all know the different continents and you all know at least one fact about it. So I'm going to give you your worksheets and you're going to fill out writing the correct continent, the name of the correct continent. You can write it in the continent, and then you write one fact underneath. If you want to put more than one fact, you are totally allowed to do that, okay? So, but just one fact is required. The name of the right continent, the correct continent, and a fact about it, okay? So good job, guys. I'm really proud of you all. You all did great, and I'll see you later.